underway, your son don't need a.
Hello, my name is Red Sheep and this is my first video. Then we're gonna play some Minecraft on Pocket Edition. I'm using a gamepad. That's why I'm not touching it. Yeah. Come on, let's play Bed Wars. We're gonna try to win a Bed Wars. There, now I'm already logged in. Yeah, okay, let's play. I hope, too bad. There's no space in the Bed Wars, but I'm gonna stand. Look. Oh, an epic fail. Oh, an epic fail again. Oh, an epic fail again. We're gonna look at 360. Oh, hello. No, we're in here. So come on, let's play. Oh, there's Frost. There, come on, let's play Frost. Ooh, and yeah, I'm orange team. Then we're gonna win. We're gonna try to win this Frost. It's gonna start now. There, it starts now. Bed Wars is you need to protect your bed. If your bed got destroyed, you're not gonna respawn. But if your bed is not destroyed and you die, you're gonna respawn. Yeah. There's the minute break and some irons. I'm using a texture pack called Paintball. There, come on, let's collect more. But I can't destroy my own bed. Yeah, I can't destroy it, but it destroyed in half. There, let's buy some bricks. Let's buy some edgestone, maybe 4 edgestone. It's enough. There's some white stained clay. Maybe this is enough. Maybe 1 stack is enough. Let's cover up our bed so no one can break it or see it. There, protect it more. Protect our bed, protect our bed. Then another layer. Here, also here and here. There, maybe this is enough. Look it. We need a pickaxe. I'm gonna build that thing, I think, but I don't think that. Come on, let's buy some. Let's buy some tools. A stone pickaxe, then a knockback stick. There. There is enough. Oh, then let's go in the middle. In the middle, you're gonna find gold spawner. Oh, there's an aqua team right there. Oh, maybe he's gonna kill me. I'm just gonna think. That's the blue team. It's the aqua team. Oh, he's killing me. Look at his PvP. Ah, I just died. Yeah, I died. My items. There. Then get some irons. There, then let's buy pickaxe. Pickaxe is enough. There. Our pickaxe is right here. Oh, the bed of blue has been destroyed. This is good. Oh, he's a VIP, that's why. Oh, baby, he's gonna start our bed. Oh, he's building here. He's building. Yeah, he's building. I'm just gonna hide here. Oh, look, I'm so handsome. Come on. He's here. Red sheep. What the hell? He's gone. Maybe you're not of blocks. Come on, this side. Get some irons. Get it there. Come on, this side. He's right there. He's building. Yeah. Look at this. Oh yeah. He's got a team with me, I think. What the hell? I'm not believing him because maybe he destroyed my bed. I don't believe him. Come on, let's get this. Maybe. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. I'm done. I'm leaving. Is your friend? I don't think so. Oh yeah, he's teaming with me. There, come on, go down. I just killed you. Okay, kill you. Yeah, come on, get down. I'm believing you. Yeah. It's going. Oh, come on. Oh, he's a sword. Maybe kill me. I'm just gonna drop it here. Oh, yeah. His name is Kevin Alex. Yeah, come on, go down, come on. I believe you. I'm believing you. Come on. Oh yeah, he's teaming with me. Come on. I thought he just killed me. What the hell? Come on, let's kill other team. Maybe he's come on, let's kill. Come on, follow me. I just died. Good job, VIP. Our VIP is so good. Oh, I just pushed him to the edge. Maybe bring my bed. So, come on. Let's follow him. Oh, he's protecting my bed. He's so good. No. There. He died. Oh, he's building up. gonna buy some cake. Yeah, cake. There. Let's buy cake. And let's eat the cake. Oh. Come on, let's destroy the Aqua's bed.
Or her bed.
Oh, he has that. I'm gonna troll him. Or her. There. Oh, the violet team is right here. Oh, yeah, get it. Where's my team? What the hell? Get it, hey, it's mine. It's mine. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Look at your phone.
Oh, get wrecked. Yeah. He died. Oh, my teammate is up there. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Go up. No, don't go there. Then. Oh. It lags. I just disconnected. I hate it. Man, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching.